Alright guys, I thought I'd do a little update video for you. So I've pulled the tractor outside and I've just pressure washed out the inside. I don't know if you can, well, if you jump back to the last video you can have a look, see how much cleaner it is. Obviously I've drained the oil out of both sides and then I've washed it out. And then obviously after I've washed it, I've sprayed it with WD. So that's all the muck cleared out now. I'll show you the rest. So then you come in here and this is the pump now. It's all been cleaned. All the channels are clean. All the passageways. So this one and take that out. This one. All clear now. They were really gunged up. The blow off valve has been cleared. And then obviously like the main one. Hang on, just put that back on. So cleared that. I've cleared both these covers and then I've filled them with WD. Obviously don't want it to rust, so filled them up. Loads of sludge came out of these, so no wonder it wasn't working. And then this is the top, so this is the cylinder. The oil comes in, pumps in through there, comes up into here, pushes the piston down, and when it pushes the piston down, lifts your arms up. Obviously I've taken the pin out, that pin goes in there, but I don't know if you can see, there's some really bad rust. That should clean off with some sandpaper and some grit. And then the piston is stuck, so I filled it with diesel and I'm just letting it soak, because hopefully once it's soaked should be able to get the piston out. And then obviously I'll check the piston, make sure no rings are broken. If there's no rings broken, I'll clean up the bore, put it back in, put it back together, put it back on, and it should work. So all the problem was that one, there was no oil in it, and two, it was really sludged up. So there was no oil getting to the actual pump for the pump to pump, which is an easy fix. It just needed cleaning, and also now it's here, I can get to all the bits that I couldn't get to before with the paintbrush. So I clean all that up, I'll put it back on, and then maybe in the next video, well, next video I'll show you me putting it back together, and then video after that, well, we'll see if it works. Hopefully it works. I can't really be bothered taking it to bits again. These are the forks that go on the, it's like a bypass valve. When you shut it, it directs the flow. And obviously because it was sludged up, that valve would never shut, so you'd never get any pressure. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. If you like these little like update videos where I just show you 5 minutes what I've been up to, what I'm doing, let me know in the comments. If you want to see long form stuff, let me know in the comments. I basically just do what you guys tell me to do. So thanks for watching, see you next time.